Id Mubarak. Yang ini sambal hati, petek sama kentang juga. Salah satu menu lebaran juga. Nah, ini dia menu kita hari lebaran orang Indonesia yang tinggal di Kanada. Menunya lumayan, alhamdulillah lumayan meriah walaupun jauh dari keluarga di Indonesia, tapi makanan Indonesia masih selalu ada di hati. Di sini ada sate Padang dan kita pakai lontong daun. Lontong daunnya sudah matang. Dan ini rendang pedas kesukaan suami. Kalau yang ini rendang enggak pedas untuk anak-anak. Di sini ada sambal hati sapi, kentang sama pete. Nah, di sini juga ada sambal udang kentang. Kita tinggal nunggu masak saus sate Padang, sama pengen buat sayur lontong, tapi nggak tahu, nanti lihat kalau masih ada tenaga.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Wa nuyassiruka lil yusra fadzakkir in nafa'ati dzikra. Sayadzakkaru man yakhsha wa yatajannabuha al-ashqa alladzi yasla an-nar kubra thumma la yamutu fiha wa la yahya. Qad aflaha man tazakka wa dzakkara isma rabbih fasalla. Ataka hadisul ghasiyah wujuhun yawma'idin khasiyah hamilatun nasibah tasla naron hamiyah tusqa min ainin aniyah laisa lahum ta'amun illa min dhari la yusmin wa la yughni min ju' wujuhun yawma'idin na'imah lisa'iha radiyah jannatin Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Allah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahu akbar walillahil hamd. Itu takbir biasanya. That's the ayat that normally you recite, you know, for during the Eid. So there are two Eid, right? That you guys aware. One is believe in me. So ya ayyuhallazina amanu, people before you and after you. So this is practice and called by the Quran to do that, because this is part of like what they call it muttaqin, you know, people who really submit to Allah totally, you know, like one of become mutakin. You know your Quran and Prophet ask you to do, so you follow that action. That's one thing. And then the other thing I think behind the fasting as well, if you guys look at it, there is a benefit of the fasting itself in terms of science. So if you go into the medical, you can go through that even more detail, you know, why people doing the fasting, and what is the benefit of doing the fasting as well. And this is all hungry, right? Hungry and thirsty, right? And then you guys are lucky. Why? Because you live here. It's cold. Can you imagine people who live in a hot area, like in Indonesia, for example? They are doing their benefit of doing that is basically God is also trying to train you, you know, to have the feeling. Can you imagine the people who doesn't have anything to eat and the people who doesn't have anything to drink at that time? So this is where they are encouraging you to share and to have that feeling, so that you have an empathy, you know, and then your heart will be triggers to understand that and to appreciate. So from that is also basically the Quran is also basically telling you that, you know what, you have to be able to control your anger, right? So there's a lot of stuff. There's just a few examples on the parents, but on your side you're gonna start responsible, and the malaikat start doing it. That's why Papa and Mama start to train you from small. You know what, Tasya, Dia, Hafiz, do the salat, don't forget reading. And then at the end of the day as well, when you read Quran, like every Thursday night, for example. So when I read Quran, I never intended to myself. I always intended to give it to my parents. So that's another thing as well. So when you read that, recite the Quran, you can give it to somebody else, you know, to your parents, to your grandparents, you know, who passed away already. So that's how you help them, because nothing can help them except when people pass away. There's nothing that can help them. All stop, except what? Except the dua from the children. So that's one biggest thing from your side. And the infaq or the sadaqah that the person give it during his lifetime. So that stop already. When somebody pass away, that stop. People cannot do a sadaqah anymore, right? So there is no donation anymore. They cannot do any donation. So it stopped. So that's one thing. And then the other thing as well, when you do a good deed when you are alive. Let's say if you are a teacher, you teach a good thing to your student, and your student is basically taking what you are advised and do it by himself. So you get a reward on that. But that's all done when people pass away. What's left? It's only the dua from the children. So that's why when we are still alive like this, we keep telling you guys the same thing like me. So I keep sending my dua to my dad, to my grandparents, you know, because that's the only thing that can help them. Okay? So any question now? No? Okay.
Cuman dia yang dicium. Mama juga.
Oh, Opi juga cium.
Oh, Lucy dulu hot juga. Mama dulu. Mana platnya, Pak? Upi gak saling mami. Thank
Masih sakit?
Kue lebarannya ada lemper. Kastengel, nastar, putri salju. Sini ada kue coklat, lidah kucing.
Oh, guess what? Kreme. Lutfi, Krispy Kreme. Lutfi, kue lebarannya ada Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, shouldn't get in yet.
The $100 are still here.
Itu sambal apa tuh?
Huh?
Oh, itu sambal hati. Ini nggak pedas,
Sambal
ah?
hati, sambal udang,
Rendang.
rendang, pergedel.
Pergedel.
What?
Ini lontong.
Oh, in the piggy bank Lutfi di atas.
Ini sate Padang.
Can you bring it up?
Tuh, Lutfi nggak perlu duit ini. Mau nggak duitnya?
I don't begin to
Kalau nggak Mama ambil maninya. Mama nggak dapat nih. Pak Bona serius. Tapi ngapain?
Satu bulan lamanya bersakat sutra menurut perintah agama.